October is Halloween month, and if you're hosting a retrospective during this month, how can you even resist a Halloween themed retrospective board? Bring out your spooky game, a cup of pumpkin spice latte, and gear up to have the best retrospective of your life. Hi everyone, my name is Clyde D'Souza, and in this video, we'll take a look at a retrospective board that I put together called a Halloween Retro. This retrospective board is available on Miroverse, which is a site where you can find community uploaded templates, and you can just click a button and copy the template and just use it right off the shelf. So let's dive right in. For the icebreaker, we have a Halloween themed bingo. The rules are the same as a regular bingo. If you match with a square, drag your marker onto the square, and if you complete 5 squares, if you mark 5 squares in a row or in a column or diagonally, then you can just shout bingo. And so you have one bingo card for each team member. And then, of course, at the end of the game, go through the cards as a team and share some interesting stories with each other. Next up, what's sweet last sprint? How can you do Halloween and have no candies? Now drop some kudos in the candy jar to let your team members know how valuable their contributions are. And then, of course, grab a post-it note and add a note on what went well last sprint. The next one is what spooked us last sprint. Okay, now this is scary, but it has to be done. Grab a post-it note and make a note of what didn't go so well during the last sprint. But of course, don't spend too much time over here, otherwise, the zombie will step outside of his haunted house and make you his next meal. The third one is what's cooking for the next sprint. The wizard and the witch might be cooking some magic potion for their next trip. But in the meantime, grab a post-it note and make a note of an action item for the next sprint. Now, do limit the action items to maybe 2 or 3, otherwise, it might be inefficient. And finally, keep the witch away and light the candles. A flying witch on a full moon is definitely not a good idea. Get your team members to copy the flame from over here and light these candles to reflect their feedback. If they light this candle or to the left over here, that means they didn't find this retrospective quite helpful. Whereas if they light this candle, these 3 candles to the right over here, that means they found this retrospective amazing. And of course, remember this, you can put multiple flames onto a single candle because these are magic candles. That was it, a nice and simple retrospective, a Halloween themed retrospective. Now, what I want you to do is hit this like button if you do like this retrospective template. Hit the share button to share this retrospective template with your friends and with your family and with your network, with your colleagues. And don't forget to tag me. My social media links are down in the description below. And of course, the big blue button, the main button. Click on the Use Template button if you want to copy this retrospective template to your Miro account and start using a Halloween retro. That's it for this video. Like this video, share this video, and of course, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And do stay tuned for more videos to come on this channel. Until next time, bye bye.